Good morning to you all, my dear students. Let's continue our chapter Working of Institution of class 9th of Political Science. Today we will discuss about the meaning of parliament and its functions and the two houses, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. First of all, what is parliament? It is an assembly of elected representatives which exercise the supreme political authority on behalf of the people. And at state level, it is known as State Legislative Assembly. And it exercises political authority on behalf of the people in many ways. Means we will discuss the functions of parliament now. First is law. Parliament is the final authority for making laws in a democratic country. And this task of law making or legislation is so crucial that these assemblies are called legislatures also. Parliament has the authority to make new laws and change existing laws. Means all amendments are done only with the approval of parliament. Second function is control over executive. The parliament can seek information regarding administration. It can pass a resolution of no confidence against the ministry and ask it to resign. So, parliament control over executive. Next is control over finances. The annual budget of central government is passed by parliament, and without parliament approval, the government cannot impose any tax or incur any expenditure. Amendments are also done with the approval of parliament. Next function is declaration of emergency. The proclamation of emergency by the president is to be approved by the parliament. There are many judicial functions also of parliament, like the parliament can remove the president, the vice president, the judges of Supreme Court and the High Courts by passing a resolution of impeachment against them. Now we will discuss about the two houses of parliament. First is Lok Sabha and second one is Rajya Sabha. We will discuss through this chart given in this page. First of all, qualification of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Qualification for membership. In Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, mostly qualifications are same, but age is different. Minimum age for membership in Lok Sabha is 25 years, whereas in Rajya Sabha it is 30 years. Other qualifications like he or she should be the Indian citizen, he or she should not be proclaimed offenders, or he or she should have his or her name on electoral list. These are same qualifications. Tenure of Lok Sabha is 5 years, whereas in Rajya Sabha one third of members retire every 2 years and a member stays in the house for 6 years. Method of election in Lok Sabha, it is directly elected by adult suffrage from single member constituencies, and in Rajya Sabha it is indirectly elected by the elected members of state legislative assemblies. Nomination of some members by the presidents are there. 2 members in Lok Sabha of 2 members of Anglo-Indian community. are elected by president, nominated by the president, if it has not been adequately represented. And 12 members in Rajya Sabha who have shown excellency in the fields of literature, science, art and social services. Now maximum number of members in Lok Sabha are 530 from state and 20 from union territories, and 2 are nominated by the president, means 552 members. Whereas in Rajya Sabha these are 238 elected and 12 nominated by the president, means total are 250. Presiding officer of Lok Sabha is Speaker and presiding officer of Rajya Sabha is Vice President. So we have discussed about the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, functions of Parliament, and next topic we will discuss in our next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.